are welcome to the National Conference on C4D and SPCC 2018. Welcome to our sunny city of Lilongwe. I am a practitioner, a C4D SPCC practitioner. But the most important reason why it is such a great honor and privilege is that I am a woman, I am a mother, and a former girl child.
It's about being open-minded, to be able to accept criticism. There is a tendency I've observed in the field of communication for development for practitioners to hold on to cling to ideas even if they are not working, largely because they learned them in a workshop in America or they learned them in a workshop in Canada. And they think about the traveling, the air ticket, the food they ate in a hotel, and they think whatever they learned there was so valuable because they spent a lot of money. They traveled a long distance to learn these things. Yet when we are faced with realities in the communities, we realize our knowledge is futile. It's useless. We should be able to open up our minds to learning new things with different people. And sometimes the people that teach us the most important lessons are not educated people.
Highlighted that most of these communication interventions were research and evidence-based. Let me share with you that we would actually go into the field, stay in the field, stay with people for over a month, experience a lot of things, and at times eat dog meat instead of goat meat. It's not a joke, but it's for real.
I believe that the socio-ecological model can afford us the total and sustainable behavioral change and development because it is all embracing and it also engages the participated approaches.
Very promising way. Yes, what we have developed currently is school-based, but you know that from the content that is covered and also the approach that is there, it's applicable to the community. We tested it in the schools, we haven't tested it in the community. And with the ongoing tools to be able to identify the risk-taking behaviors before they actually get pregnant, we feel that we are really well placed to be able to test this particular curriculum within adolescent health programming to say, does this approach actually work?
But also we also saw a lot of flexibility in terms of community members examining their cultural values and practices through the process of problem identification and reflection and analysis, and to find solutions without any external influence from government or from the project.
I want to say that beyond this discussion, it's really very good for you, maybe if you could even engage with Helen to start talking about how you could influence that kind of engagement at district.
So we are not, as government, we are not working in isolation. We still rely on the NGOs that operate in various districts that we have set up our district social mobilization committees.
Successfully attaining social change goals. Successfully attaining the social change goals requires coordinated efforts between multiple stakeholders. Alliances among people and organizations across sectors to work toward a common purpose are known as partnership, collaboration, and coalitions.
It emanates from what people do, what people live with, and what people intend to do as part of our aspirations, as part of our interests, as part of our value system.
In case of this, mass media is the first institution that God created. Pajani Banani Mau Wanani Wailis, and the radios FM. Aramani Sabajan people, they brought the flesh, which was a picture, and it came into TV.
Well, I think C4D is extremely important for the development of the country. It's important for the development of the individual and the communities. In the end, what really makes any change lasting is the personal behavior. It's what you and I and we all together change.
Indeed, it is not right if we want to make Malawians realize and take it as their own. Development partners who are doing a very important role in helping the government. But after this conference, we must take all our opinion, ideas, aspirations, and sit down with the local people so that we move with them together without subscribing whatever ideas we have down their throat. They may not take it as, because where there is understanding, it's easier for people to cultivate what we want to achieve.